What's up, Gene here. On today's video, I'm going to talk about why you should start affiliate marketing. Now, before we get into this video, if you're new here on this channel, we talk about real estate investing, personal finance, and investing as a whole. Please make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And also, if this video add any value to you, please go ahead and hit that like button. I would really appreciate it once again. So for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, I did a simple Google search and I put what is affiliate marketing, and this is Google's definition of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate owns marketing effort. Just to put it in a simple term, if Jim have a business, I go to Jim, hey Jim, I like your products, I would like to promote your products. So you get a link from Jim and you post it on your video or your Instagram bio or Facebook, wherever that you can post the link on. So in turn, Jim says, okay, I will pay you based on how many purchase that product. So you get people to click on that link and they purchase the product, you get a percentage of what the people are purchasing. So it's a win-win situation for both parties. Now you may be wondering that you don't have a lot of people, especially for small YouTubers, you don't have a lot of people watching your videos, or on Instagram, you don't have a lot of followers to post the link. I would just say go ahead and do it anyways. Like for me right now, I just started the affiliate marketing about 4 weeks ago. I'm an affiliate of Amazon, Fiverr, and Robinhood. And that's just to start off. You don't have to start big. I know those companies don't really pay a lot as far as Amazon, but most people start with Amazon because Amazon have a lot of products. You can do a lot of products, affiliate marketing with Amazon. You can promote more products with them. Like for me, I'm promoting my YouTube studio. I have all the links in the description down below. And currently, I'm reading the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. I have that link in the description down below. And as far as Robinhood, if one person sign up, they get to have a free stock. And you would also receive a free stock. And the value is up to $1,400. So it's a win-win situation for both parties. And I'm an affiliate of Fiverr. I use Fiverr. It's a really cool site. I really enjoy Fiverr because I use Fiverr as far as like a video. I had somebody do the color grading for me on a video, which I'll post the link somewhere up here. You will see that video, and I had them do the thumbnail, and it was simple. They took about a day or two to provide me with the video, the editing of the video, and the thumbnail. So Fiverr is really cool. There's a lot you can do with Fiverr. You can hire people just to be your personal assistant. Fiverr is a really cool site. So if you're into that, you can also go ahead and check Fiverr in the link down below for me. I would really appreciate it. Currently, I'm affiliated with those 3 companies. And one big reason also I started the affiliate marketing is basically to create extra income in this channel. I encourage you guys, I push you guys to create an extra income for yourself, because if anything 2020 has taught us is that our job is not really safe. I'm grateful, I thank God that I still have my job, but some people, they thought their job was secured, then they lost their jobs. The employment rate is really high, so I encourage you guys to create that extra income for yourself. If you're a small YouTuber and your channel has not been monetized also, this is a good incentive for you to keep pushing and keep making videos, because you can create an additional income before your channel is monetized. So that really would motivate you to make videos, to create content, because your channel has not been monetized yet. So that is a good incentive to start affiliate marketing. If you don't have a YouTube channel, and like I said, you can always post the affiliate marketing links on your Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. If you have a lot of followers on TikTok, because it's easy to get a lot of followers on TikTok, you can also post your affiliate links on there. Just review the products that you're using. And if you're a YouTuber, you said, man, I don't have a lot of followers. How am I gonna get people to click on the links? Just do a review. Like me, I could do a review of this book that I'm reading currently, And at the end, I can just say, all right, guys, if you're trying to read the same book that I'm reading, go ahead and hit the description down below. And it's as simple as that. Don't worry about if you're not getting the views at first, because the views are gonna come in time. So just give it time. That's all the tips I wanted to give you guys for today. But please go ahead and start affiliate marketing, because you can get paid while you sleeping. So it's just like another passive type of income. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Please go ahead and check the links in the description down below. Robinhood, Amazon, and Fiverr. As always, guys, please be safe, be healthy. Peace be with you.